I mean, drones are more popular than ever, right? And anybody can get them right off the store shelves. I mean, I bought them for my son. People use them in backyards. People use them on vacations. We have our NBC drone right here. We use drones all the time to tell stories, and it's easy because you can stick cameras on them. Not only us here at NBC, anybody can stick a camera on a drone. So now creeps are doing something pretty creepy. You know, they figured out a way to do it. Let's fly our drone up. They are actually using them to go into neighborhoods and spy inside people's homes, even going right up into the windows and looking at your most private moments anywhere you are in your house. The latest cases out of St. Louis, a mystery drone terrorizing an entire neighborhood, even targeting 2 young girls through their bathroom window.
We're doing their hair and heard a weird noise.
In Seattle, a woman snapping a photo of this drone. She says it was spying on her outside her apartment window.
It was pretty scary, and then I realized that I had no clothes on.
And in Utah, this man pled no contest to voyeurism after using a drone to peep inside people's homes. So just how easy is it for a drone to spy on you? Let me show you. Right now, we're inside of this regular house, and I'm going to walk around and go about my business like I normally would at home, both downstairs and upstairs. Just outside, we have a drone standing by ready to spy on me. I am curious, I bet you are too, how close does this drone need to get, and what can that drone really see inside of here? How much detail? We're about to find out. Outside, our drone approaches the house. All right, they just told me our drone is right outside this window. But I mean, I'm looking out this window. Come up to the window. Come here. I don't see a thing out there, do you? I do not see a thing out there. But I guess if I do this, I can see our drone right there. Hi. Yeah, I have to really be looking for you to see you, but look at the detail that you can get through my window from being up and away from the window. If I were just sitting in here like a normal person would on this couch, I would have no idea. And this thing is spying on me. I'd have to literally crane my neck to be able to see it. Nuts. You're a target on the 2nd floor, too. I'm headed upstairs. Sitting in the tub, this could be a pretty intimate moment. And the drone, even all the way up here on the 2nd story, is watching. Even laying in bed, the drone is watching. Yes, that's drone cam. You can see me in bed. Now back to our camera inside. Look outside the window. Do you see a drone? I don't. Even scarier, drone operators can hide out of sight. This is our NBC drone operator. Down the street right now, no way for me to see him or catch him. And experts warn the law hasn't caught up. Please tell me this is illegal. I mean, it has to be.
So spying is definitely illegal, whether you're a peeping Tom using a telescope or a drone.
Is it trespassing?
Not necessarily.
Even though the drone is on my property, it's not necessarily trespassing.
It depends on how high up it is, what state you're in. It's tough to call it trespassing.
Back here live in Illinois, and you can probably hear the buzz. It sort of sounds like your neighbor is mowing their lawn when you're outside. But weirdly, when you're inside your house, the windows do block a lot of that noise, and it's pretty quiet. Coming back here right now, something else I want to point out. We bought these recreational drones last night right off the shelf in many stores. And like I was saying earlier, a lot of them come with cameras built in. This is the new thing. Now, when you get a recreational drone, even for your kid, you are supposed to register this with the FAA. But most people don't do that, and our expert says the FAA isn't checking, which means if you pay cash for this stuff, guys, there is no way to trace it. So creeps can do it, and even if you were to see the actual drone, it makes it much harder for police to catch you.
Yeah. Well, you could just close those blinds, though, right? Just bye-bye.
Yeah. By the way, I need to get out of here before these guys wake up.
Yeah, exactly. With all that drone noise. Thank you, Jeff.